Igbo ndị ba Igbo ndị nwe m na ndị nwe biko tupu anyị aga n'iru na ekene na this video.
Maka ogo niile m lụsịrị mbaka, tụrụ mbaka, tọmbolocha mbaka, turn oil upside down, shake ya. Although what I was saying was nothing but the truth. Was it appreciated? Was it encouraged? The answer is no. For ya, our pages. Nothing killed our pages. Man, today did I betray them? I was still standing, you know, but no way. Even nka okwu ala self ajugide go mark or the lawyer to even say Nandabu in Akakus and give us information. Maybe Kanye make a gagota that area. These people hid all these things from us. Nah, JPAC he can have Ugomo. I don't tire for them. I don't tire for those Zion people and their things. I don't tire for them. Well, I tell you before God that man, you know be another person. Me, I don't tire for them. Watch me, I know they post spam about them. Makoguni nem losre mbaka, turu mbaka, tombolocha mbaka, turn oil upside down, shake ya. Although what I was saying was nothing but the truth. Was it appreciated? Was it encouraged? The answer is no. For ya.
I'm not forgot the video na sigi abi. Yes, o nwere ihe m chọrọ ikwu. Enwere mgbe m bịata abana itomo eno gara aga nwesi unu na ke okwu anụnwa si aga that you people are beginning to drag Zion ministry into this thing unu na-eme. Into this thing unu na-eme, this okwu anụnwa. Two people are having disagreement. Two people are having serious issues. Two people na-enwe serious issues. Instead of you people ndị feel na ọ na-anụrụ unu okwu to ask na kedu ebe okwu anụnwa ebido. I made video repeatedly saying okwu anụnwa adajụọ. Okwu anụnwa adajụọ. You Buzo Choku, go and ask for forgiveness. Go and it will not take you anything. I say, okay, I have accepted my mistake. First of all, own up to it and accept that your mistake. That is the beginning of your liberation. Own up to it and this is what you actually did. Now, yes, man again, sorry. Sorry will not remove anything from your life. Sorry will not remove anything from your head. Sorry will not reduce the number of the hair on your head. Sorry will not reduce the number of years equal on one. I said it. Unubamu war. Buamon mandi block mandi name hobuna. Now look at where this issue is taking a drastic turn to. The reason why you play this video kunu we mali hon him choliku. That you are standing for the truth and you are supporting somebody that you know that this person is saying that actually betrayed you once. This person has actually betrayed you before. Because there is no smoke without fire. This person has betrayed you once. I am more for others, which within your heart you know that everything in this lady, some of them are right, but you are also lamenting now. But we're making potassium on your own times. We shift to be attention, we support her, because now if you did not gaslight this issue of dragging Zion into this thing, this issue shouldn't have gotten like this. Arrange you, kuoku. I put a video. We don't call our attention evangelist that warrant that two people are having issues. That you are supposed to stand up and say, because now this voice note to play now because this voice note was sent from Governor Ezoku to JPAC. How come this voice note to Juweli here? Obo only send Elia forward Olia to Onyozo. In that voice note, he categorically stated that na Mbaka war. But Nyeni about Reverend Mbaka is correct, which means na the show neku. Not that na segekwe. The show neku. The show neku. I find it very difficult to understand. Madopota, you own up to na Niki desire na agugo Niki Jemen desire na ndi desire na agwala gị. Na kisi ejide Fada Mbaka shake ya shake ya meha budu shake Father Mbaka, was it appreciated? No. But nevertheless, knowing fully well I say but nevertheless that na that video beginning ezioku, which means Father Father Mbaka is your own responsibility, is your own word against the word of Reverend Father Mbaka. But and you started getting Zion involved in this issue because now somebody somewhere feeling that now because no Gechi Okeke Njaka is in love with Zion ministry. She loves Zion ministry. You feel that there's no way although to get her attention, to bring her again, to bring Oku Anonga to a conclusion. Okay, tag ya Zion ministry so that can them marry Tion or Kafadam or evangelist will be better on Ekwa. Uno to lazy but I see you. Because the bone of contention still remains that this is Ogechi Okeke Njaka word against the word of J-Pack. Not na mad but I say nehe mad balum. What you are supposed to do is J-Pack, you are my friend. Biko do emala anorom mgbe gị na onye akpala nkata amorom kunu suye bido nna do biko this lady say na ihe email ya ịpụta you condemn totally ihe nwanne enyi gị nwoke me first. You condemn it totally. Then you did not try. Many people say, I do talk to him. I do this, which means he doesn't listen to you. But you are still busy getting me lamenting and pushing this narrative, pushing this agenda into Zion ministry. And as it stands now, you have successfully done it. As it stands now, you have successfully pushed this narrative to Zion ministry. Kaya sino Zion na J-Pack na Abademba. Oh, we heading at Ezekiel 33. Oh, him choy go looking. Because you know, like you quote to Bible, Ezekiel 33 verse 8, the Bible says, If I tell to the wicked, oh you wicked one, you shall buy, and you do not speak and warn the wicked to turn away from his word, that the wicked person shall buy in his iniquities, but his blood I will require at your hand. Ezekiel 33 verse 8. Or your Bible. You do not want the wicked. Which you know that this person talks too much. This person Manipota, you support. I'm not against you supporting your friend, but against you. You know that this person is not supposed to get to this level. But I'm beginning to wonder. Is it an agenda now to distract people and to push Zion? Can they mad about Zion war? Because all the time in the video, you may have a video mad video go video again against the person we can now the person aside. I have watched several in your video. Na comment section, a block wire, a block wire. But when they talk to Zion ministry and that their comment section, Zion Okuojo, where evangelist Okuojo, you will leave the comment and you will not block the person. You make it for you. What other avenue shows that na which means you are working to kick against them? You will not come out publicly because you have stated in a video regarding Zion ministry. But your action showed otherwise. Your action shows otherwise. Because you stated it clear that Nikende Agugogi. Nikegine India. Or you could your video. But it's so sad na move to Zion ministry. Ngwa John Giji Legionnaire. Say again Hini maka Father Mbaka is alright. Which means nobody pushed you. But you decide to walk away from your own words and did not apologize in it. Say no go indeed you said these things in your own will. They asked me to, but you stated it clearly. Which means you knew something about Father Mbaka even before you started saying those things. ka anyị na-agwakọ n'ọnwa anyị eziokwu. Nwere onye bụ ụmụazị, ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ udo, unu chọọ udo ka mmadụ na-aba ka okwu anụnwa bie nke all these videos unu na-eme ni na-afụ ya asị unu na-agbagharị okirikiri up and down. It will not cost you anything ịkpọ your friend say my friend or jee paaki ịkpọ gị unu abịakwa ka unu si eme live video. You say okay, we are about to put an end to this thing. We are sorry. Jee paaki si nwa na sorry, then leave the ball in their court. Na amam na the starting of this thing na amam na ka isi wee mee ihe anụnwa na ya try hụ. Let that be a something unu ijigode aka. Onye nke abalagbaga onye nke agbada. The same Christianity, you know, and you acknowledge the power of God, the supremacy of God's power. The same thing kunu bịakwa your friend gbara akwụkwọ na church, and the enemy of the church is using you people to fight against what you believe in. That's the highest form of betrayal. If the enemy can use you to fight something they don't like, but they are using you because they feel that you are in a queer hana like, and in this time like this, need a queer hana like, and they are supporting you, kunu bring ya Zion down. I asked this question before. Obru no gechi okay, kana like Zion. No another denomination could belong to other churches. What will you people have done in this issue? Kedu hunu ka yiku n'okwu anụnwa? Kedu hunu ka yiku? Akwa onye kwu eziokwu ihe unu dị after onye kwu na eziokwu dị unu so bita unu abụrụ mmadụ onekwu na ya block. Go ahead and keep gaining and swimming in your ignorance. Dr. Paul Eneche nwere ihe okwu na ụlọ ụka ọ sị na if you keep mingling with liars, you will not know when you lost your own voice of truth. As it stands now, my brother, you are beginning to lose value. Don't allow people to disvalue you like this. Don't allow people beginning to disvalue, because now, as it stands now, you are playing a mind game of getting in our support when you work. You don't want any worker to fall victim of Nka and this one. But have you come out openly when you work? Come out openly when you work. You know that some of the things in you work you don't like it, but you don't want to speak against him in publicly. And if you is privately, optakwa publicly or me also, if takwa publicly, support why anyhow publicly. How comes are we going to remain like this? Ele mbo yebi. Kuchapam cordon.